Well, guys, one another unit, guys. Can't believe it. It's not a lot of stuff, but there is a nice item in there, and that's why I paid over $200 for this unit. See you at the unit. What we got? I don't know what that is. What the heck are these? Take a quick look. Oh, it's cold in here, guys. Huh, 1200 watts on that. I have no idea what this stuff is. This stinks. Alright. It's just pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, this is a huge bin. What is this? I wanted to see what this... Oh, there's a chainsaw. No way. You're in my light. What is this thing? Guys, you know what an iHome is?
A what?
iHome.
No.
Oh, it's a vacuum. It's a robot vacuum.
Oh, that's what I thought.
Yeah. This is gonna be heavy. I don't know what all this is, guys. Chainsaw. What else? Looks like another chainsaw. Printer. What is this? Oh, that's an Everstart. This is a battery starter. Jumper.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Hose. I don't know. Docking station. Okay. Dude, this is pretty cool. I got a leaf picker upper here. What is this? Ryobi? Yeah. I have no idea, guys. Is this an airplane right here? Don't know. Alright, fan. Hold on, I'm gonna lift that up. Let's see what's here. Drano. You always use some extra Drano.
I don't know why you go through it. Can't you go through it?
No, come on. A Nintendo Switch? That's crazy. What we got? We got movies. Oh, we got movies. Check it out.
Toy Story. Wait. No, I don't like Ninja Turtles. Garfield, honey. I like Garfield. Please say he's in there.
Sony. Alright, put this on.
I love Garfield.
Put that on.
I want to get a Garfield. I'm going to look for Garfield on Marketplace.
DVD player. Nice. Sony. I didn't know this was a Sony. So picking up Sony. Here.
Is that a DVD?
DVD player, I believe.
The Garfield movie's missing, honey.
We could use that if we have a remote. I have to buy a remote. A lot of electronics in here. Chainsaws. Stuff like that. Let me get this on the court. Guys, some bonus stuff here that I didn't even see. heck is that? What the heck is this? Some kind of party. I don't know.
I have no idea.
Party stuff. I don't know. Another one of these.
I don't know what these are.
Hey, what does this do, guys? Is this to the Switch or something? Man, it would be cool if there was some Switch games in here. This looks like office supplies. Oh, shit. Alright, let me put this on. I don't even know what this thing is. It's like 3 bins, huge bins. Listen, we have room for that or no? Do we have room for that? Alright, I'll help. No, you should have took all 3.
I couldn't lift it.
I guess, look at here.
I'm not doing anything to lift it. No,
It's a computer.
I can't lift it. I can't lift 3. You gotta help me. My shoulder's sore as it is.
It's a Dell computer. Guys, check it out. Dell computer. Hopefully this gym is all here, guys. Watch it. Book. Oh, cool. Book bags. CDs. CDs are now selling, so. Huh. Oh, look, another one of these.
I want that. Look.
Yeah. I don't know what this is, guys. Party machine? Test.
There's more. Different colors.
Really? DVD drive?
Look at these games.
Jensen guys?
Xbox 360 games. Look. My brother had this. Xbox Live. My brother had this. Outfit, Vegas 2.
Epson. What is that? Alright, let's go and take that down. Do I see a DeWalt? Do I see a DeWalt? We gotta go unload, then we'll come back, guys. Total scores right here. Getting on the elevator, guys. Okay. Hey, look at this. Ooh, that hit me right in the head.
Yeah, look at this. That would be on video too.
Go tracks.
You're getting knocked in.
This is a Go track.
Isn't that the hoverboard?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Alright, probably needs to be charged. Let's see what these are, guys. It says something about Julie double-sided LED signs. These are double-sided LED signs.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna need my knife though.
I'm afraid to get on it.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LED signs, guys. Let me open this.
It's my husband opening up the box. He's all excited about opening up and seeing the LED lights. He can't wait. He asked me if I had some to open it. So that's how excited he was to open it. Ooh, pretty.
Okay, this is a jewelry sign.
Are you at what?
Jewelry? I don't even know what a jewelry is.
Jewelry sign?
Jewelry.
Who? You mean
In the
like
box, okay?
you mean like rings and bracelets and stuff?
No.
And diamonds?
I don't know what it is.
Oh boy, can't wait. Put it on the thing here. Don't open every box either. Just nice ass. Good job. All right.
Let's lay this on the top.
Go.
This thing new is like
Didn't we have one of these before? We're
1300.
using it in the back when I'm in the backyard.
1300 new. Put the cushion down if you want.
Push these more. The boxes. Push them back more.
No, I meant with this.
Oh, the other one. Why didn't you say so? Is that on record?
Okay, yes, it's a nice computer here. Inspiration. Inspiration Dell.
Stop!
Watch. What is that?
Scratch resistant things for your phone.
Oh, these are for, what is that thing?
Same thing. It's
Read it. What is it for?
easy applicate.
No, this is for the Switch. There's 3 of them. They're for the Switch. Oh, we got a goodie bag. Bunch of plastic. Take that, please. Sometimes, you know, got a big, huge mirror here, guys. I don't want that to break. But take this, push it over. That's a huge mirror.
Did you know that man was
Alright guys, I saw a DeWalt. Let's check it out. Huh? What is this? Vacuum?
Let me see. It looks like it.
And right here we got a hard drive, a DVD player, guys. Oh, wait a minute.
It's a wet dry vacuum.
Oh, awesome. Hold on, move. You're in my light. Come on, please. I don't know what the Wii is, guys. This is a Wii of some sort. Bunch of cables. There's the remote controls for the Wii, I guess. What is this? Evo Core. What's an Evo Core? Remote control for a Wii. Remote control for a Wii in here. Another one of those stupid things. It's a laptop case. Don't tell me there's a laptop in here. Nope. Wait, I see something. Oh, way. It's a freaking laptop. Open it up. Put it in here. Yeah, open it up.
I'm trying.
There's another one. If you want, use this one.
Are you sure this is not the same one as before?
Put it in this one.
This one's gotta be charged too.
What is that? Intel?
No, Lavona.
Lavona? I have no idea what that is. So, TV antenna. I was hoping this would be a little bit better. Watch.
Oh, wait.
Leave that open.
Should I put the laptop in here?
I figured there was a couple laptops in here, but
Here, I put the laptop
it's a
in
dual shock. That's, oh yeah. Antenna. There's a couple little gadgets in here.
It's direct TV. Or no, clear TV.
Oh,
Oh, super. That's why those things were in there. Great. You'll have fun hitting Maxie with those.
whoa.
Wait.
Jam.
Oh my God, it works.
Oh, it went right in.
Where'd that one go?
It works, guys. Pretty cool. It's an X shot. An X shot. This
Where'd that go?
went right back in the box.
I can't find the one that you just shot.
We got some of these Switch, guys. These are for the Switch console. Protection screen for the Switch console. All that stuff could be sold. Look at this. Scanner? Don't tell me this is a scanner, guys.
Hey, this is the scanner they have at my job when we scan
Oh, lockbox.
when we scan our prescriptions. Let me see. This is first aid. No, it's for first aid. You see the top?
Nothing, guys. This big thing we could just fold up. I don't know what this stuff is too, you know. We got a mystery bag.
But
Hold on.
why can't I open it?
What is that? Gum.
Let me try one.
Show the camera.
Okay, give me the purple one.
Gum ball. Pretty good find, this DeWalt vacuum.
Okay, put it back.
Just no battery, so that sucks. The grill, guys, looks kind of used. Got a little rust there, so.
Oh, look at this box.
Oh yeah, that's used.
Ew.
It looks like scrap.
Ew.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light.
There's a video of my husband cutting up a box. Wow, awesome. You did it right the first time. Woohoo! You want to get inside the box too? That's my husband being silly. Oh, now he wants to act like the Incredible Hulk.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy.
You did it right the first time. We're gonna make a sign.
Dustpan.
Hey!
Start sweeping.
Alright, you're such a genius.
Start sweeping.
Good thinking.
Okay, we want to get the heaviest item right now.
Should I
right?
do this after?
You gotta get this in.
Look.
Yeah, after. We gotta get the grill on there.
The grill first?
I gotta get this out of here.
I hope there's wheels on it. He's having a hard time getting that on him. It's really dirty. Like, you don't want to use it. Your steaks and your food might get filthy, and then you'll get salmonella.
Yeah, we're gonna get new stuff for the inside.
We're gonna do it. We have a grill in the backyard. It's been sitting there forever.
I might just scrap it.
We're gonna do that. I think that's. Didn't Ed give us that one?
The heck is this?
It's part of the slide, honey.
See if we can fit that on top. Where's that dustpan?
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break.
Tell me how to sweeten now.
Another unit down, guys. Yeah. Smash that like button, subscribe.
Now where do I put it?
Dump it right in there. We'll do something with that.
Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home, run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap.
Open sesame. Thank you. There's a camera down here, so we're gonna watch.
We gotta go.
Turn around, we gotta go back out the same way.
Yeah, I know. Is she gonna know? Is she gonna open the gate first?
Yeah. Easy, because you won't be able to see. You'll probably go all the way around here.
No.
Yeah, you go all the way around.
No, I want to go back up.
Why?
Because it's easier for me.
I want to look at that scamp over there.
Scammed. It looks like a tiny little trailer for like.
It's more like a shrimp. That's perfect though. Pull behind a vehicle, that thing. Yeah guys, so we're done. We loaded everything in. Pretty much full now. Everything's storage is pretty much full. I gotta shut it off. There's the gate. Better. Who would store a grill
Filthy?
that dirty? I mean, what? Just throw it out.
I know, right?
Why put it in a storage unit?
The salmon on that shit.
Why store something like that? Coconut beer right there. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video.
Continue for 1 mile.
Thanks for watching. Man, I hope we get more than 100 views. That's kind of lame, but kind of depressing. But I'm gonna keep at it and hopefully hit some dumpsters soon. Road work again. We'll see you on the next one, guys.